Both teams going to take a breather. Both teams have a timeout left. It's 9 point game. If you're just joining us, this is the semi-finals. No, this is not the finals. Damn, this some UFC. आज भाई अंश भाई ने कितना स्कोर किया है अभी तक? आई थिंक अंश हैजंट स्कोर्ड दैट मच. ही ओनली हैज 2 threes. uh, much needed points. All the team is in foul trouble. ऐसा ही है. uh, let's take a timeout. It's a Okay, a little bit of a longer timeout here. We had a little bit of a delay, but hopefully, folks were ready to get back underway. It's okay. So both teams in the bonus again. Shan passes to Swan Khalid. Swan Khalid. Travel called. Carry called. Yeah, that was definitely a little bit of a sus move. Refs are definitely cracking down on this. Pass to Umar. Umar versus Zach. Completely wide open. Out to Zaid Sheikh. Zaid Sheikh attacks back to Umar. Good tap there to Zaid Sheikh. Zaid Sheikh swings it to Abu Musa. Abu Musa jumper gets it to go. Ans with the ball. Picked up by Zaid. Ans crossover. Drives in. Stops. And tries to pass it in. Ball given to Ans. Ans back to Shayan. Shayan fakes. Stops. Baseline jumper. Misses. That's a good shot though. 32 to 39. 7-point game. A chess match of the highest stakes being played here between these two teams. Oh, Umar, what a spin move. Misses. And Zafar with the rebound. And pass straight to Zach. To Shayan. No, Zaid Bhai steals it. No, it's with Raja. Raja misses the layup. And foul by Humam. That's an offensive on Humam. Ans with the ball. Oh, Ans with the ball. Zaid with the press. To Shayan. Shayan takes a dribble, takes a three, misses. Umar with the rebound. Travel called. And Umar is very upset here. But he's playing really well, Umar. He hasn't fouled. He's on 3 fouls. He's survived most of this quarter so far. I hope I haven't jinxed him. Osman Khalid with the ball. For 3. Oh, lodges it. The wedgies it right there. It's a jump ball. Plyos needed at lob. Still being discussed. Teams sort of gearing up for the jump ball. Zach wins it, gives it to Raja. Gives. And Ans for 3, misses. And rebounded by Abu Musa. Umar Khwaja. And Zaid Bhai for 3. Misses. Oh no, Zafar, what a great offensive rebound. Passes it. Bullo just lost the ball. Stolen by Zach. Pass to Shayan. Shayan reverse. Oh my goodness. A beautiful little sauce on that layup. Just overflowing. 41-32. 4 minutes left. Zaid Sheikh with the ball. Zaid Sheikh. Pass to Abu Musa. Elbow jumper is good. Abu Musa is having himself a ball game. Abu Musa is having himself a ball game here. But the whole 2-3SB team needs to do more. Ans stops. Floater. Misses. Omar tracks down the rebound. Gives it to Zafar. Zafar gives it to Zaid Sheikh. Zaid Sheikh, they should look to feed the hot hand. Abu Musa scored for them. Zafar takes the jumper, misses. Rebound. Tracked by Zakaria. Raja with the ball. 34 to 41, 7-point lead. Pass to Khalid. Khalid pulls. Misses. Zafar with the rebound. Gives it to Zaid Sheikh. One timeout left for both teams. This has been an extremely long first half. Humam draws the foul there. It's a foul. And it's a foul on Zakaria. Humam will shoot the free throw. Misses. Yeah, misses the first free throw. Second free throw. Zach's third foul there. Oh, misses both. Rebound. Oh. Turned over there by Omega, given to Arham. Arham versus Usman Khalid. Ans taps it out. 9 seconds on the shot clock. To Sallu. And rebound. Sallu misses again. Ans with the rebound. And the ball's deflected by Sallu. So. Raja pulls up, walk in three, bang, makes it. 10-point game. 44 to 34. Humam passes it to Zaid Sheikh. Zaid Sheikh loses the ball, tipped by Raja. He's looking to get it down low to Sallu. And look at the spacing here. Aram gets it, and the ball is tipped. And it's 2-3 SB ball. And Sallu, Timmy gets the ball, looking to pass it, passes out to Zaidbai. Zaidbai pass down low to Sallu. Sallu makes his move, blocked by Ans. Pass to Usman Khalid. Oh, blocked by Timmy on the other end. Returns the favor. And fast break now. Rajabai gets the ball. Gets a tip on the ball. It's a tech on Raja. And that's another technical on Raja. Raja's been. Rajabai has been ejected. Rajabai has been ejected from the game. That's 2 free throws. Raja's been ejected. Timmy makes the free throw. You guys were in the bonus already. Rajabha has been thrown out of the game. Um, the rest did not like his objection to the fouls. Unfortunate, but you gotta keep a sort of lid on your emotions here. Everybody is gonna come in. It's two shots for the free throws. So Timmy's gonna shoot the two free throws now.
Foul, do you think it was?
Was it a foul?
Yeah.
I
He got ball, but did he go across the body?
I think there was marginal, reasonable, incidental contact.
Right?
Who?
Raja.
Raj's been disqualified. He got
really?
two texts in a row.
Wow. ये इधर आगे रखो, आगे रखो. Right, Usman Khalid, and he turns the ball over almost. Can they recover it? And
Okay, so turned over there by Omega, and now 2-3SB might be in some momentum. They are down. Oh, blocked by Ans again. Salu gets the rebound, blocked again. हाँ नहीं Aram, short miss, rebound by Patel, and pivots, passes it to Ali Chanzeb. Ali Chanzeb running it up, passes it to Khalid, a little bit loose, and great hustle there by Zaid Bhai, and the pass was a little bit loose, but Usman Khalid was on here into a wide open lane, picked up by Timmy Ans. Ans spins, baseline, hangs, misses, good defense. Khalid gets the rebound. Khalid blocked by Aram. Ali Chanzeb. And ball gone out of bounds. 50 seconds left in the first quarter. Furkan passes it to Shayan, to Khalid. Khalid pulls, makes it, bang! Instant pull from Usman Khalid. 47-37, 10-point difference still. Omega's bench asking to get a stop. Timmy fakes, pass to Arham. Arham to Salman. Salman drives, lefty hook, misses. Ball gone out of bounds.
8 seconds left.
8 seconds. Aram looking to cut, gets the ball, hook shot, gets it to go over Usman Khalid. Nothing you can do about that. Just rises up and gets it to go. Ans with the ball. 18 seconds in the final seconds of this first half. To Ans. Ans with the ball. Ans passes out to Khalid. Khalid fouled by Humam. Hmm. 1.4 seconds left. It's two shots. It's two shots though. I'm gonna shoot free throws. It's been a very long first half, the longest I believe this season. 14 fouls in this quarter, 13 in the previous. The second half is gonna be one of a lot of restraint. Khalid with the ball, and Khalid gets the second free throw to go. Timmy to Humam. Humam Humam will set, and no, it doesn't pull. Thought he had more time than he did. That's the first half. 39 to 48. 9. 9. 9 point lead for Omega. And that is the first half. Okay, we are ready. Second half gets underway. Starting lineup back in for 2-3 SB. Khalid gets the deflection, gets it to go. That's a spicy three-pointer there from Usman Khalid. अच्छा मैं दोनों जगह कॉम्स कर रहा हूँ. Hello world to the Instagram live stream as well as YouTube. Internet issues here, of course. When it rains it pours वाला हिसाब किताब है. But right now अभी गेम जो चल रहा है 39-51, 11 minutes 33 seconds. I'm your commentator Maaz Zubairi. अभी start हुआ है second half. Usman Khalid just hit a three. He's hit a couple. Umar Khwaja in versus Hassan Zafar. Oh, big boy move by Umar Khwaja. आप लाइव चैट से मुझे प्लीज़ बताते रहिएगा. लाइव चैट कैसे आप फिक्स यूट्यूब. आप यूट्यूब द रेपरेशंस आर अंडर वे. हसन जफर गेट्स इट टू गो. हाँ, व्यू ब्लॉक भाई असद भाई. असद भाई को हम कुछ नहीं कह सकते. अभी बहुत टेंस माहौल चल रहा है. आप लोग को अंदाज़ा नहीं है. इतनी डांट पड़ चुकी है मुझे. शाफ लेकिन अच्छा बंदा है. शाफ ने मुझे एक दफ़ा भी नहीं डांटा. बाकी सब ने बहुत डांटा है. आरम लतीफ़. ओ ब्लॉक बाय अंस एंड रीबाउंड बाय फुरकान पटेल. Ans has had a couple of blocks here. Ans. Oh, what a pass to Ali Chanzeb. Ali Chanzeb. Pass out to Khalid. Khalid fakes, pulls again. Looks right. Is right. Rebound by Umar. Umar passes it to Abu Musa. Fix YouTube. भाई मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. The score is 41-53. Pass to Shazan in the corner. Shazan pulls for three. Ooh, just made it. Almost. Pass to Usman Khalid now. Usman Khalid. Passes it to Ans. Ans attacks. Pass to Ali Chanzeb. Ali Chanzeb. Good defense by Umar. Umar hasn't fouled. Umar's on 3 fouls. And second quarter खेल रहे कब से. Shazan attacks. No foul called. And Abu Musa on the cleanup. Great aggression. Good. I think Shazan is sort of going to be a very important piece here for 2-3 SB. He's filling in for the injured Shaf Khan, who isn't available for this game, and his minutes are going to be valuable and definitely has been doing it so far at the start. And ball stolen and kick ball called. I'm a little frustrated. 2-3 SB, huh? And pass to Ali Chanzeb. Ali Chanzeb shoots over. Abu Musa misses. Rebound by Umar again. Pass to Aram. Aram running. Pass to steal by Furkan. Good hands there from Furkan. Ali Chanzeb loses the ball. Steal by Shazan. Now Shazan is running. Pass to Abu Musa. Abu Musa travels. Nah. I think the nerves are. मोहब आपको क्या लग रहा है? I think nerves बहुत ज़्यादा है. माज आ जाओ. बाज has joined. कैसे आप माज? मैं तो बाज नहीं आ रहा. आप आ जाएं. Usman Khalid with the ball. Pass to Furkan. Furkan to Ans. Ans turns, shoots over. Aram misses. Shazan with the rebound. Shazan running. Shazan versus Furkan. And to Timmy. Timmy turns, pivots away. Pass to Aram. Aram in stride, stops. Passes it to Umar. Umar turns and he misses under the rim. Rushed it a little. Ans passes it to Ali Chanzeb. Ali Chanzeb fouled by Abu Musa. That's his fourth. Oh my God! Non-stop commentary. Bhai, commentary also needs a sub. सांस फूल गई. Sub called. 4 fouls on Abu Musa. 4. Yeah. Khalid. Pass to Faris. Faris steals it. Faris running it up. And Faris. Double dribble by Faris. Next ball. 10 point.
शाह भाई चेयर पे बिठाएं. उमर की जगह 2-3 की जगह डबल से इधर कौन गया 12 की जगह.
And Zafar passes it to Faris. Faris misses. Sallu. Sallu and Usman Khalid getting into it. Ooh. That's on Sallu.
Sallu on 3.
Sallu's third. Sharp Sallu's third. Team to wear कर रही है. Good for you. Anis bhai. Chalo. Good for you, Anis bhai. Ans floater from the elbows doesn't get the friendly role today. Ans has not had the impact on scoring he's had all season long. 2-3 SB have done well, but Usman Khalid has been scoring quite a bit this game. And Timmy wide open for 3, makes it, gets it to go. 46-53, 7-point game. 7, shout out 7. 46, 7-point game. And springs the ball up. They're playing man as well. Ali Chanzeb fakes, pulls, misses. Rebound by Hassan. Hassan turns and he travels. 2-3 SB looking to gain some momentum. Location, this is what is up? This is Korangi. Near Brooks Chorangi. I'm here with Moeb King. Moeb King. You already know what it is. Timmy with the ball. Timmy pulls again. Oh, just misses. Ali Chanzeb taps it out. It's 2-3 SB ball. Faris down low. Turns, misses. Sallu blocked by Ans again. Ans has, I don't know, 4 or 5 blocks. Maybe 6 or 7.
The scoring has been translated into
Block. Ha. He is doing what all my situationships did to me last year. Timmy pulls. Short. It's a little bit of a difficult take. Khalid in transition steps. Foul there. Gets the foul. 46-53. That's the third foul on Zafar. 2 shots. Third team foul for 2-3 SB. Zafar bhai.
पहला फाउल है जफर भाई फर्स्ट फाउल.
That's his first foul, Zafar bhai ka. Sorry.
Shamir बैठ जा.
Now he goes. Sallu's checking out, and Shamir Abbas is checking in. 46-54, 8-point game. There's 3 fouls on 2-3 SB. 7 minutes have gone. ये quarter थोड़ा जल्दी गुजरा है. And second free throw is good for Usman Khalid. 9-point game. 46-55. 2-3 SB bring the ball up. Zaid bhai gives it to Zafar. Zafar attacks, blocked by Hassan, and ball goes out of bounds. It's Omega ball. I thought the way Ans was chasing it, it may have gone off of him, but it's given as Omega ball. 46-55. Wow, full house. Look at the crowd there.
आजम ख्वाजा कह रहे हैं close game.
Lots of time fix. Lots of time fix YouTube.
Yeah.
हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. Shayan for 3. हमारे हाथों से बाहर है. The internet just isn't working.
Yeah.
It's not something we could do. Of course, we would have loved to have this on YouTube. The recording will definitely be uploaded though.
Yeah. 100%.
Timmy with the ball. 5-second call on Timmy. Oh, मोहिब आपको पता ही है रूल है.
जी.
If you don't dribble, timeout taken by
If you don't dribble for like 5 seconds.
dribble or make a move for 5 seconds, you can't hold on to the ball. Timmy kept holding the ball.
I was unaware, Mazbari. Thank you.
You're welcome. So 46-58. 12-point lead. It is a close game, guys. I don't know what else to tell you. Okay, we're ready. And all right.
दानियाल खान हंस रहे
हाँ,
किस बात पे हंस रहे हैं आप
दानियाल खान हंस रहे हैं. अच्छा. And picked up by Aram. Hassan with the screen. Hassan gets the ball. Out to Khalid. Khalid pulls for three, misses. Zaid Bhai with the ball. Pass to Timmy. Timmy runs inside at the rim, gets it to go. Timmy's got it going.
आरिज रिजवान जॉइन
आरिज रिजवान सामने भी ज्वाइन किए हुए हैं.
आरिज भाई आपने
दोनों जगह से ज्वाइन. मैं आपको दूसरी तरफ की कहानी बता रहा हूँ आरिज भाई यहाँ पे. अंस विद द बॉल. अंस attacks. Oh, loses the ball to Khalid. Khalid fakes. Pass to Shayan. Shayan pulls for three again. Misses. Rebound by Timmy. Timmy running it up. Timmy passes it to Aram. It's a little bit piche. Given to Zaid Bhai. Zaid Bhai pulls. Banks it in. 7-point game. Timeout taken by Omega. They're gonna talk things over. 51 to 58. 7-point game.
अभी अच्छी डिफेंस हो रही थी
हाँ,
टाइम आउट से पहले ओमेगा की
लेकिन ट्रांजिशन में पीछे नहीं भागे. तो Zaid Bhai banked in a three from that same spot where he hit that killer.
किलर बाउंस
Yes.
अगेंस्ट
हाँ, in last season.
विनर
So any subs? No sub.
No sub, no sub, no sub.
Okay, thank you. Bhai, he's a hustler. I respect it, Anis bhai. I respect it.
अनीस भाई इनकी मत सुने आप प्लीज अपनी स्टडियां बेचें आप
And Babar Bhai ने मेरा व्यू ब्लॉक किया हुआ है. Hassan screen. Hans pulls for three, misses. Hassan with the ball, gives it to Shayan. Shayan pass out to Khalid. Khalid attacks the free throw line, pulls up. A rebound by Zafar. That was a huge contest. Arguably a foul, not called. Oh, Timmy running in transition. Reverse take, gets it to go. 2-3 SB have sort of. मैं यही कह रहा था 2-3 SB is down, but it's a long game, guys. And अभी आप देखिए momentum आहिस्ता आहिस्ता swing हो रहा है. And turnover, Timmy again in transition. Timmy passes to Zaid Bhai. Zaid Bhai layup, misses. Umar gets the rebound and he gets it to go. No one is running back. 3-point game. Just like that. Just like that. दोस्तों वक्त किसी का नहीं होता. आज आपका कल हमारा. Ans attacking versus Aram. Turns shot is good. 5-point game. And Hassan almost. Zaid with the ball. Brings it up.
अनीस भाई की दुआ
And given to Zafar. Zafar. Usman Khalid tips it out. Aram with the pass to Zafar. Foul by Ans there. Third foul on Ans. He's blocked a lot of shots, Ans, this game. Zafar Hasnan with the ball. And he misses the first free throw. And Zafar gets the second to go. It's a 4-point game. Next at ball, there's a sub. Sallu's gonna go in for Umar, and Zakaria's gonna come in for him.
बंदा बैट
Sallu के 4 हैं, I think.
मैं बताता हूँ
Ans pulls, misses. Rebound by Umar.
नहीं है कोई
वो बॉक्स हो रहे हैं, थके हुए भी हैं. एनर्जी भी थोड़ी डाउन सी हो गई है ओमेगा की, ऐसा लग रहा है. सल्लू के 3 है. टिमी विद द बॉल. Move at the rim, gets it to go. Beautiful move by Timmy. It's a 2-point game, ladies and gentlemen.
insane
तबीयत नासाज करने वाला मैच.
बिल्कुल
Hassan screens. Usman Khalid pulls. Gets it to go. Walks in casual, nonchalant. 63-58, back up to a 5-point game. कल भाई शहादत टाइम. असद इमाम. मिस यू असद भाई, आपको बहुत मजा आता. Oh, what a pass! No kick called. That was a kick ball, I think. Aram loses it. Yeah, that was a kick ball. Ans with the dribble, passes it to Hassan. Hassan attacking. Euros misses. Rebound by Ali Chanzev. Fouled by Zaid bhai.
सब 36 में रिबाउंड लेकर फाउल शूटिंग रिबाउंड लिया 36 में
फाउल 25 सब देख तू सब देख
सब मैंने देख लिया
22 की जगह 23 की जगह
77 आया
Mohib run 21%. And Ali Chanzev misses the first free throw. Omega are in the bonus, 2 minutes left. 2-3 we have done really well here to not foul. They did 3 team fouls early in the quarter. Misses the second. Ali Chanzev as well, uncharacteristic. You can usually rely on him. Aram looking to attack, gives it to Zafar, to Humam. Humam fakes, misses. Rebound, Humam out to Timmy. Timmy fakes. And ball tipped. Usman Khalid with the ball. Foul. It's a foul on Humam. It's 2 shots now for Usman Khalid.
अच्छा मेरी बात सुन 3 फाउल हो गए
पहले शॉट के बाद Ali Chanzev checks out and Furqan checks in. 58-63. Khalid missed the first free throw. Second free throw, gets it to go.
इट्स नॉट गोना चार्ज बट नीचे भी नहीं जाएगा
Humam with the ball.
अच्छा उस पे ऑफ कर देना टाइम आउट्स वगैरह पे
Humam with the ball. Humam passes it to Zafar. Zafar not able to hold on to it. Good little look.
टर्नओवर बाय हुमाम या
Humam.
जफर भाई का नहीं
हाँ.
होगा
जफर भाई का नहीं होगा, वो पास थोड़ा सा वैसा था ना. पासर पे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है. Usman with the ball. Usman loses it, but it comes to Ans. Ans pass to Shayan. Shayan hop step. Misses. Zach fighting on the rebound. Shayan gets it. Comes out to Zach. And stolen by Shazen. And Sallu with the ball. Gives it to Aram. Furqan picks up Aram. Aram turns. Misses. Rebound by Zach. No. Humam did well to sort of tip it. Sallu versus out to Zafar. Zafar for 3. Misses. That was so close. Usman with the ball. 35 seconds. Ans with the ball. Passes it to Shayan. Ball given to Khalid. Back to Ans. 8 seconds. 7 seconds. Shot log. Ans fakes. Humam almost steals it. No. Shazen launches. Ans is down. He's hurt. I hope he's okay. Ans is okay. It's Omega ball. 10 seconds left, basically. Huh? Khalid with the ball. Khalid brings it up. He has 10 seconds. Crosses over. Stops, sidesteps, pulls. Misses. And it's Omega ball. It's Omega ball. 0.8. 8 tenths of a second. 8 tenths of a second left. And pass to Ans. Ans unable to pull. And that is the quarter. No foul call. End of the quarter. 12 minutes to go. Separating us from a ticket to the finals for either of these two teams. Both who have been in the finals in season 4, but only one will advance here today. Or we are 12 minutes away from overtime. Let's see what happens. Final quarter lineups. Ali, Chanzeb, Ans Azhar, Shayan Qadri, Zakaria, and Usman Khalid, the 5. And for 2-3 SB, it is Zafar Hasnain, Shazan Malik, Omar Khwaja, Taimur Malik, and Zishan Abu Musa, the 5. Zakaria picks up Timmy. Timmy, has he move? Attacks out to Abu Musa. Abu Musa fakes. Bodies fade away. Misses. Khalid with the tip. Rebound by Usman Khalid there. Pass to Usman Khalid. Usman Khalid to Zakaria. Zakaria to Ali Chanzeb. Ali Chanzeb. Long two. Misses. Timmy with the rebound. Shazan running. And Ans with the block. I don't know how many blocks this man has. कितने ब्लॉक मारे आज अंश भाई ने भाई? हाँ. Oh, Abu Musa pulls, misses. Khalid with the rebound, gives it to Ans. Screen, stops, pass. No! Zach didn't roll the entire way. Shazan with the ball. And Timmy gets it again. Shayan fights the Umar screen. Shayan picking up Timmy here. He's the danger man. 2-3 SB. Has he moved? Goes left. And blocked by Zach. That was excellent defense, I think. Impressive. Contact with the chest. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Shahzain attacks. Floater gets it to go. Beautiful move. Like I said, Shahzain has played some key minutes here for 2-3 SB. 60-64, 4-point game in this semi-final matchup. The first semi-final. Pass to Usman Khalid. Usman Khalid attacks. Foul by Umar. It's a foul on Umar Khwaja. Umar पे क्या? Umar's on 4 fouls. He committed 3 fouls in the first quarter. उसके बाद से foul नहीं किया. Ans at the rim. Pass to Zach. Zach hook shot misses. Ans tips it out again. Shayan back out to Ans. Ans fouled again. That's Abu Musa's foul. That's his 5th.
किसका फाउल है? फाउल किसका?
Depends अगर आपने गैदर कर लिया होता है तो गैदर की जजमेंट पे है. रेफ बताएगा. It's a foul on Timmy. It's on Timmy. It's not on Abu Musa.
यार उसको बाहर बुलाने दो, अभी 6 प्लेयर अंदर होते हैं. फाउल ऑन 1. शाब भाई सबको बाहर बुलाने दे. तीस कौन सा हुआ है?
Abu Musa हुआ है और अरम आया. इसकी जगह 5. Ans will inbound. It's side ball. Khalid gets it. He's picked up by Aram. Gets a screen. Steps back. Pulls. Makes it. Bang, bang. Usman Khalid has come to eat. How many threes has this man hit? Has the most threes in this contest so far. Oh, Timmy crosses over. Ali Chanze passes to Abu Musa. Abu Musa misses. Zafar Bhai misses at the rim. Pass to Zakaria. Zakaria running it up. At the rim misses. Good defense by Aram. Stops the easy clinical break there. Timmy passes it straight into Ans's hands. Ans running it up. Bodies Aram over him misses. Rebound by Umar Khwaja. Umar Khwaja to Zafar. Zafar to Timmy. Beautiful pass and Timmy gets it to go. Oof. मेरी सांस भी फास्ट ब्रेक मार रही है ऐसा लग रहा है. Oh my God. This is some high intensity cardio training here, guys, commentating this game. Not for the faint hearted. A pass to Ans. Ans in the post. Turns. And he misses. And Zafar with the ball gives it to Shahzain. Shahzain running it up. Khalid passes it. Turned over by Shahzain. Steal by Zach. There's 3 on 2. Pass to Shayan. Shayan fouled. Puts the shot up. That's a foul on Zafar. That's his 2nd foul. Ask them to come out for Zaid bhai. Just have them come out as soon as possible. Shahzain.
5-point game. 9 minutes.
The ball, it was ruled on the ground. Shayan with the ball. Score हम अभी आपको बताते हैं इस possession के बाद. Ans jumper misses. Shayan gets the rebound, fouled by Humam. Again 4 fouls. No, that's their 4th foul. Next foul is bonus and it's 9 minutes of bonus for Omega. Oh, that's tricky. It's 62-67 the score. 5-point game, 9 minutes of bonus. Okay. And pass to Khalid, the danger man. Khalid attacks. Bodies looking for someone. Pass it to Ans. And Bodied lost the ball. And Aram is all alone. Shayan fouls him. Had to foul there. Look at the complete dog fight this match. क्या कोई कुछ पूछ रहा है? क्या पूछ रहा है? ओए यार ये कैसे
फारिश को भेजो, एक सेकंड रुको, फारिश सब रेफ फारिश यहाँ बैठो, रेफ सब है।
You know, if you're trying to like push and not even trying, like if you're trying to block, you get part of his forearm. That's okay. Like his intention was there, definitely to not, like he wanted to foul, but he made it look like a basketball play, so that's why it won't be ruled as such. Aram with the shot, misses.
Did he make the first shot?
No, he didn't. He missed both free throws. Aram, 62-67 still. So good foul there by Shayan. Ans with the ball. Ans attacking. Spins, passes it to Zach, and brings the ball down low. Stolen by Faris. Faris is running it up, slows down. Zaid Bhai passes it to Humam. Humam hangs in the air, misses. Hold.
2-3 ball है, 2-3 ball. सही है.
Timmy comes back in. Faris is out.
की जगह 22.
इधर
8 की जगह 1.
8 की जगह 8.
And down low to Sallu. Sallu pivot series, gets it to go. Beautiful little series of fakes from Salman Malik. Possibly the most underrated player on 2-3 SB.
Closest.
64-67.
3-point.
Ans attacking, fouled by Timmy. 2 shots for Ans. Ooh, dangerous. Ans free throw misses. Ans with the shot, makes the second. 64-68, 4-point game. Ans picking up Humam. Timmy is being picked up by Ali Chanzeb. Timmy again, reverse layup is good.
Closest the game's been.
66-68, 2-point game. 2-point game. Pass to Ans. लेकिन बोनस जो है ना बड़ी डेंजरस सिचुएशन है. Ans half spin, passes it to Hassan. Hassan spins again. Misses. No foul called. Aram on the break. If the pass made it, he's still calling for it. Humam with the ball. Pass to Aram. Aram fakes at the rim. Misses. Oh my God. He's appealing for the foul. Ans with the ball. Pass to Ali Bhai. Ali Bhai fouled by Zaid Bhai. That's a foul on Humam. 2 shots for Ali Chanzeb. Humam's 5. Humam's going to stay in the game. He's on 5 fouls. Miss hui hai. Ali Bhai second free throw. Hasn't made his free throws today. Misses again. Ooh. Timmy passes it to Humam. Humam. And gets it to go. And one. Ties the game. Ladies and gentlemen. 7 minutes from overtime. Or punching the ticket to the finals. Both these teams are tied. And he can give 2-3 SB the lead for the first time this game. The first time. Humam makes the free throw. 69-68. Khalid with the ball. Passes it to Ali Chanzeb. Ali Chanzeb floats one up off the glass, misses. Zaid Bhai with the rebound. Passes it to Humam. Humam again. And goes off his knee. Timeout called by 2-3 SB. By Omega. Omega timeout. 69-68. My goodness, man. My goodness. अच्छा जी, हमें and Usman Khalid attacks, passes it out to Shayan. Shayan for three, misses. Hassan with the rebound, back out to Shayan. Pass to Khalid. Khalid to Ans. Ans fakes, steps through, misses. Oh, Ans has not scored today. 2-3 SB has done well to stop him from scoring. Pass to Humam. Humam fouled by Ans. That is a foul. Humam will go to the free throw line again. He's been the Swiss Army knife for 2-3 SB today. Ans is on 4. I love Shahjahan Malik. Listen to what he's saying. He's saying, don't worry about the refs.
Exactly.
Don't worry about
This
the
is
refs.
key.
Just put the ball in the damn hoop.
Yeah.
Humam misses the first. इसके बाद भी बड़ा खतरनाक मैच है हमारा Mambas versus Sabres. Please tune in for that as well. VIP game. Humam gets it to go, extends the lead. Omega has not scored yet. After the 3 by Khalid, I think. Or the free throw, sorry. Pass to Ans. Ans spins, fakes, fouled, and it's 2 shots again. It's a foul on Aram or Timmy, I think. It's a foul on Aram. Aram and Timmy have played extremely disciplined defense. Third foul on Aram. Ahad अब ओमेगा की क्रेजी शॉट जाएंगे, कुछ होगा. 2-3 has been more strong in the paint. फ्री थ्रोज भी मार सकते हैं ना. फ्री थ्रोज मिस कर रहे हैं अपनी. फ्री थ्रोज मार दें तो प्रेशर डले, वो फ्री थ्रोज जा ही नहीं. फ्री थ्रो शूटिंग बिकॉज बोनस में अभी 6 मिनट रहते हैं और बोनस में. And Ans makes the free throw finally. I think that's the first free throw of the past 6 that has gone in. Don't quote me on this, I might be wrong, but बस ओमेगा फ्री थ्रोज मारनी है. बहुत कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन में ओमेगा. दिस इज ओमेगा's गेम टू लूज एट दिस पॉइंट. दे आर इन द बोनस. 6 मिनट्स लेफ्ट, फोर्थ क्वार्टर. बस अटैक करते रहना है. 2-3 SB हैज टू प्ले डिसिप्लिन डिफेंस. वो डिसएडवांटेज में है. इफ दे पुल दिस ऑफ, दिस विल बी एन इनक्रेडिबल विक्ट्री, पॉसिबली द बेस्ट कमबैक एवर. Pass to Hassan. Hassan versus Humam. Humam, and Hassan gets it to go. Gives Omega the lead again in transition. But again, it's a marathon, not a sprint.
100%.
ठीक हो गया. आद भाई, आद भाई एनालिस्ट हैं. आद भाई को कोई कुछ ना बोले. लीग रिपोर्ट इनकी ऑन बोर्डिंग कर रही है. फाउल बाय सल्लू. 2 shots. फाउल ऑन सल्लू. 2 shots.
Let them come out.
I love Omar's composure. Omar, क्या बात है तेरी यार. Composed. And thumbs up.
Composed.
Thumbs up. CEO यार क्या बात है यार. CEO वाइब अलग आती है. टाइम एंड स्कोर. टाइम 5 मिनट 14 सेकंड रहते हैं. टाइम आउट टेकन बाय 2-3 SB. 70-71 स्कोर दिखा दें.
70-71.
आद भाई क्या कह रहे हैं. कह रहे हैं आद भाई मेरे फ्रेंड. मोहिब ब्रो, यू गॉट 1 जॉब. मोहिब ब्रो हैज अ मिलियन जॉब्स. मोहिब को कोई कुछ नहीं बोले. सही है. मोहिब मोहिब को कल कुछ हो गया ना तो ये लॉ बंद हो जाएगा, मैं बता रहा हूँ। कुछ नहीं होगा। आद भाई हमारे फ्रेंड है यार, कोई बात नहीं। हारिस भाई आप भी हमारे फ्रेंड हैं, हम सब फ्रेंड्स है गाइस। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस। वी आर ऑल फ्रेंड्स हियर। क्रॉस बॉर्डर दोस्ती, क्या कहते हैं, अक्रॉस शेयर दोस्ती। ओए
आजम ख्वाजा ने बीच मैच में प्रोफाइल पिक्चर चेंज की है।
नहीं नहीं, यही थी इसकी प्रोफाइल पिक्चर यार, क्या हो गया?
नहीं नहीं,
ये दूसरा अकाउंट होगा, कोई दूसरा
हाँ,
आजम
दूसरा
होगा,
account होगा।
दूसरा आजम होगा कोई।
है वही।
मोहिब स्किड्सो जो सबका दोस्त है वो किसी का नहीं।
ये लीग ओन करते हैं
हाँ
ये वाले जो भाई है ना।
हाँ, जो सबका दोस्त है वो किसी का नहीं। नहीं नहीं यार, ऐसी सबके दोस्त नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत सारे दोस्त ज़रूर है।
बिल्कुल।
हाँ,
क्या?
मतलब सब
अच्छा,
सबसे दोस्ती थोड़ी है। चांसे मेक्स द सेकंड 72-70। उफ, तौबा। Both teams with only one timeout left. 5 minutes left. Umar Khwaja. Bodies Hassan gets the ball. Blocked by Ali Chanzeb. Beautifully timed. 9 seconds on the shot clock.
बैटरी कितनी?
Pass to Aram. Aram gets it to go. Tie game. यार दिल ऐसा धक धक हो रहा है गाइस।
What a game.
रहीम यू ट्राई। दानियल ये कैसी इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं आप तो, आपको मैंने ये जबान कभी बोलते हुए देखा। उस्मान खालिद एंड वन। व्हाट अ प्ले, क्रिएटिंग समथिंग आउट ऑफ नथिंग, दिस मैन कैरिंग। एक मिनट यार, मुझे ऑर्डर दिया गया है गेम डे मैनेजमेंट का, प्लीज होल्ड।
All right. 3-point lead for Mega. This is an intense game. It's very close right now. And oh no. I think Umar has just been fouled out. Hassan foul. Okay. Okay.
Hassan's fourth foul. Umar is on 5 fouls. 2-3 SB also in the bonus now. Timmy with the ball. Timmy pass to Zafar. Misses. Aram out. And a travel called on Aram. Travel by Aram. 75-72. Usman Khalid made the free throw as well. ये कमेंट्स क्या आ रहे पढ़ते हैं। उस्मान खालिद इस कायरी फंसेस लेब्रॉन ऑफ ओमेगा। ओए होए, उस्मान खालिद पुल्स मिसेस। बहुत अच्छा आपने कंपैरिजन किया है हारिस भाई, ऐसा ही लग रहा है।
ऐसा ही है हारिस भाई।
टिमी वाइड ओपन पुल्स, नो डोंट गिव हिम दैट। मिसेस आरम, व्हाट अ पास। जफर गेट्स इट टू गो। 74-75. 2-3 SBs LeBron with a beautiful rebound and pass. Oh my goodness man. हैं? Aram और अंश भाई। LeBron on LeBron action. Oh, that sounds wrong. Rebound by Umar Khwaja. Sorry यार, मैं जब नर्वस होता हूँ तो मैं मजाक करता हूँ, so please don't mind. गेम बहुत ज़्यादा ही सीरियस है। Timmy with the ball. Timmy attacking, passes it to Zafar, wide open, and he gets it to go. They take the lead. There's no way. You cannot predict what's going to happen next. Just beautiful offense. Oh my goodness, what a cross. Usman pulls, midi, rebound by Ali, top of his head, isn't able to save it. A substitution called. It's a sub. नहीं सब है।
कौन हो रहा है? हमाम किसके?
76-75. 1 point game, 2-3 SB, 1 point lead, both teams in the bonus. Zach, Timmy attacking again, fouled. It's 2 shots. It's a foul on Zach. 2 shots. 2 shots for Timmy. Three minutes left. किसी और ने कुछ पूछा है? Moment of truth. Who do you got, chat? Yeah, Azam Khwaja, moderator duties. We love and respect Azam Khwaja. Timmy makes the free throw, 2-point game. 77-75. And misses the second. And Khalid gets the rebound. Gives it to Ans. Ans ahead to Shayan. That's a bad pass. And they turn it over. 48. Abhi bench pe hai.
Full court passes all day.
Yeah. How many fouls does Ans have? And I think Ans. Timmy lulling him to sleep. Crossover. Step back. Pulls. Misses. And they let it go. Omega get the ball again. If he hit that,
Oh,
man,
only if.
he's a cold-blooded killer. Taimur Malik. It's 77-75. 2-point lead for 2-3 SB. And Osman with the ball. Turned over. 2-3 SB with the ball.
Challenge Omega has faced all season.
Zafar blocked. Foul called. 77-75. 2-3 SB slowly asserting control again. They're slithering their way back into control of this game. If you have just joined us, मैं आपको बता दूं 2-3 SB was down the entire game. Only late in the third quarter did they sort of get a lead. They were down by 7, they were down by 10, even going down as much as 12 points. But they kept at it and they kept pushing back. And right now they're up by 2 with 2 minutes left. And the second free throw could make this a 3-point game. And Zafar misses again. And Zafar gets the rebound. No, Ans with the rebound. Ans is running it up. Foul by Timmy. Ans has 2 free throws. Ans get tired now. Ans makes the free throw. Swan Khalid has 0 fouls. 76-77. Second free throw. And Ans makes it, ties the game. 2 minutes 6 seconds left. भाई मोएब का हाथ कैसे नहीं कपकपा रहा है ये मुझे नहीं पता. Timmy drives, pass to Umar. Umar back out to Timmy. Timmy out to Aram. Aram passes it to Zafar. Foul by Ans. And one. Not an and one. It's not an and one. It's 2 shots. They've given it a side ball. It's 2 shots. They're gonna review it. They're reviewing for continuation. They're gonna check. I don't think they should have reviewed. Personally, I don't think they should have reviewed. Because I think they're gonna... They want to review it for continuation, so they reviewed it for continuation. They used the final timeout. That's a gamble. I wouldn't have done that. I don't think, because I think the call will stand. No. नहीं. Recording check कर सकते हैं. Recording, हाँ. We'll check the recording. उफ अल्लाह तौबा तौबा. हाँ. क्या कह रहे हैं?
बाबर क्यूटी रहे.
बाबर डेफिनेट. बाबर भाई के भी फैंस हैं. ज़्यादा क्यूट कौन है, बाबर या नियाजी?
That is a big debate.
प्लीज़ गाइज आप बताएं.
ये
आवाज़ को अगर फैक्टर इन करें तो मैं न्याजी बोलूँगा.
न्याजी
हाँ यार मस्त फाउल होता है.
गेट वेल सून न्याजी
गेट वेल सुन न्याजी. न्याजी देख रहे हैं आई होप. न्याजी न्याजा भाई वापस आ जाओ. आपके एनाग्राम बना दे कोई तो इंस्टाग्राम पे आप ब्लॉग हो सकते हैं.
न्याजा भाई वापस
That's a and one equal score to one. See the argument here is not whether our interpretation of it is an and one or not. It's about how the game has been officiated in the league so far. So all these हम दोनों कुछ नहीं कर रहे अभी. रिलैक्स हो रहे
आपके
हैं.
सामने इसी स्पॉट
हाँ.
पे बैठे हुए कब से
So they're going to Niazi cuter. Haris bhai saying Niazi cuter. JD saying Niazi bhai on top. Noni bhai goat. Noni bhai goat. So they're saying they're discussing.
रिव्यू कह सकते हैं या नहीं कह सकते? यू कैन रिव्यू इफ कैमरा में आ गए. कैमरा में आया है.
They're discussing ये कमिश्नर डिसाइड करेंगे ये कमिश्नर कौन है. कमिश्नर
टाइम आउट है ना. वो टाइम आउट है.
and Zafar misses the free throw.
इनका एक टाइम आउट था. खत्म हो गया.
don't have any time out
Yeah, you can review it. होता है but this is a special circumstance so just to make sure कि unfairness ना हो.
टाइम आउट है. शार्प एक टाइम आउट है.
टाइम आउट है.
टाइम आउट है.
अब मगर पता नहीं that unless remain
सीओ साहब शॉट ठीक.
अच्छा तो टाइम आउट वापस दे दिया गया. दैट वाज माय इनिशियल अंडरस्टैंडिंग. नो वंस लीडिंग गाइस. शुमाइल सुल्तान nobody is leaving unless Timmy has something to say about it. Gives it to Umar and that's a foul. It's a foul on they're gonna review it I think. अच्छा they're going review the refs are they're reviewing it themselves. यार ये कौन धक धक हो रही है because I think उमर ने बॉल से रास्ता बनाया है.
yeah
तो
so the foul is that Umar
it could be turned on to Umar.
अच्छा
और उमर का आखिरी फाउल होगा ये. उमर will foul out if they give it on Umar. So all eyes.
मिस्टर फोर्थ ग्रेडर आजम भाई आप मुझे कह रहे हैं. मुझे तो नहीं कह रहे.
नहीं,
नहीं
मिस्टर फोर्थ
ऐसे नहीं कर
ग्रेडर.
सकते. ये मेरे दोस्त हैं.
शुमाइल सुल्तान ये भाई आपस में लाइव चैट में ये बड़ा मज़ा आता है जब दो लोग लड़ते हैं ना आपस में. फसाद फैलाने में जितना मुझे मज़ा आता है ना शायद किसी को नहीं आता. शैतान का चेला हूँ मैं. आप प्लीज़ लड़ें और लड़ें. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. बट आई डोंट नो देव कॉल्ड अ रिव्यू फॉर देमसेल्व्स. विल सी व्हाट हैपेंस. जफर शॉट वाज नॉट काउंटेड. आप लोग स्कोर देख लें. ये Uh, 77 all. 77 all. डिस्कशन हो रहा है आज भाई भी बाबू. They're still discussing. बस भाई आप देखें मेरे तो कुछ हाथों में ही नहीं है. फिर वाई वाज देवर 2 फ्री थ्रोज क्योंकि बोनस में थे तो वो फाउल ऑन द ग्राउंड था. 2-3SB ने रिव्यू किया कि कंटिन्यूएशन है तो उन्होंने फिर बोला कि नहीं कंटिन्यूएशन नहीं है तो क्योंकि बोनस था तो बोनस के 2 शॉट्स थे वरना शॉट काउंट होता और शॉट काउंट होने के साथ एक और फ्री थ्रो मिलती. तो ये बात हुई थी फॉर जफर भाई शॉट. सही है 2 शॉट दिए गए थे उस पर. ही मिस्ड बोथ. सो अभी उमर का फाउल हुआ है. क्या क्या रूलिंग है?
Basket good, foul on Ali Chanzib.
Basket is good. Foul on Ali Chanzib. And one or for Umar. It counts. It's a foul on Ali Chanzib. And it counts. And one given. भाई चेंज क्या कह रहे हैं? Pause due to poor connection. Of 2-point lead, 1 minute 40 seconds left. 2-3SB up 79-77. Umar will shoot 1 free throw. And he gets it to go. 80-77, 3-point game. Allah, Toba. Ants with the ball. Ants sidestep, pulls for 3. Bang! Immediately ties the game. इस बुड्ढे को कोई नहीं रोकता भाई.
This is insane.
जब तक ये जिंदा है तब तक ओमेगा को कुछ नहीं होने देगा. You have to go through him if you have to go through Omega. Timmy with the ball. Pass to Aram. Aram back out to Timmy. Timmy for 3. Answer. Misses. Answer with the rebound. Foul by Zaid bhai. 2 shots for Omega. What a clutch 3-pointer by Ans. Just like that regular season 3 that sent them up when they were down by 2. सब ये वाली जिफ भेजे यार प्लीज. वो जो गाना लिख रहा होता ना आग. स्क्रिप्ट राइटर वेंट क्रेजी दिस सीजन.
You got it.
Ans gets the first free throw to go.
That's Omega on a 1-point lead.
1-point lead for Omega. And gets the second to go as well. Ans.
Regular season में एक मारी थी.
हाँ. Timmy with the ball. Timmy picked up. Gives it to. Timmy gets it back from Umar. Down low to Zafar. Zafar wide open. Off the glass. Misses. Umar rebound. And it's given as Omega ball. 55 seconds separating Omega from the finals. Khalid with the ball. Khalid attacks. Shoots. Gets it to go. 84-80. Timeout called. Timeout called.
He called it before.
Timeout called.
उसने कॉल कर दी थी.
सही है. They have timeout.
He called it. हाँ. उसने किया. Time out है. थोड़ा सा गौर कर ले कोई मसला नहीं है.
गाइस थोड़ी गड़बड़ हो गई. हम लोग को कोई कूट ना दे. मुझे लग रहा है डंडे वंडे से पिटाई हो जाएगी हमारी. प्लीज अल्लाह बचाए.
नहीं वो कॉल कर रहा था.
कर रहा था लेकिन उसकी आवाज नहीं आ रही थी इसलिए इसने जोर से किया. कोई मसला नहीं है. बुलाओ मुझे. ये बहुत टाइट है. इस चीज
मोहिब 2-3 SB take their timeout. They've drawn up a play. Let's see what they do. 40 seconds left. They use their final timeout. They're gonna inbound. They're gonna inbound आगे से. हाँ, डांट पड़ जाएगी हमें. Have to be careful.
We will try to steal the Sabres.
हाँ, Zaid Bhai with the ball, picked up by Shayan to Timmy. Timmy launches, misses, rebound by Ans. Pass to Ali Bhai. Ali Bhai with the ball, gives it to Ans, fouled by Aram. 84-80. This is, oh my God,
Time out ले लो.
controversial.
Time out ले लो.
Ans free throw.
यार,
Ans
time
for
out
free
ले लो.
throws. Ans makes the free throw. No. Official timeout being called.
ये पकड़ लो.
Official timeout. Official timeout हुआ है. ये मोहित भाई हैं, ये सब कुछ सही कर देते हैं. आपके घर में कोई एसी वेसी खराब हो. हाँ. He missed the first one. Ans missed the first free throw. There's 22 seconds, 23 seconds. Will be a 5-point game if he makes this. And Ans gets it to go. 85-80. Timmy with the ball.
Could save them.
Passes to Zafar. Zafar to Aram. Aram pulls. Ooh, you just missed. And Shayan gets it and he's fouled.
10 seconds on the clock. 5-point lead by Omega.
5-point lead. Omar's fouled out of the game. Shaf, send someone in. Shayan for the free throw. Makes it a 6-point game. And I think that is still something could be possible here, but Shayan makes both. 7-point game. Launched forward to Timmy. Timmy pulls, blocked. And that is the game. Omega go. Acha, it's a timeout. 87-80.
Ball है Omega. 6 seconds on the clock.
Usman Khalid got, I think, hurt on the last play there. We hope he's okay, his ankle. Taimur Zahir has checked in. Ready, final 6 seconds, 87-80. Omega is headed. Omega's headed and Taimur gets the 3 to go. 90-80, 2.5 seconds left. Omega have punched their ticket to the finals. What an incredible game. Absolutely astounding. What a game, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in. We have the other semi-final now. Wow, that's all I can say. Thank you for tuning in. And well fought by both teams. Historic.